Brandon, did you say the prayer last night?
I did.
All right, Octavius, it's your turn.
Sweet. All right.
He's been waiting for this one.
I know I have. Father in heaven, we bow our heads before thee at this time to open this meeting of business statistics. And we pray that may the Spirit be with us to understand the lesson and the material that we can work together to finish the quiz and go about our week. We pray that others that are not in this group, that they will study material, that they will join the group later if they can to learn all they could know. And Father, we love thee very much, and we say his name, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
All right.
Did I turn in yesterday's? Oh, guys, I hope so.
Yeah, you just forgot to put the names on it.
My bad. I'll go back and post.
I know Brandon already covered that. It's all good.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll do better this time. Okay, so does anyone have any questions from the individual preparation, or do you guys just want to start with the quiz?
Oh, we can quiz it out.
Okay, so we're already on 16. So Octavius, you just want to go up and we'll check our answers with yours, and that's me as well.
Sure.
Yeah, so we're starting from 3, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Started from the bottom, we'll get there.
We will get there.
No, we're starting from the. Hold on, are we starting from the top or the bottom, Brandon?
Sorry. The top, which would be the bottom of the assignment, like the first.
Oh, like the lowest number. I got you. I see what you're saying. Okay.
So, do we need to click this link to know the number or something?
Which link?
It says if needed, here's a link.
Yeah, you're gonna want to pull up the normal probability applet.
Okay.
You don't really need it to answer number 3, but you'll need it during the quiz.
All right. Did I skip that one?
No, they're doing schoolwork.
Would it be 1?
Yeah, that's what we said.
Okay. I was like, did I miss this part?
I know. I don't know why, but it was like extra confusing at the beginning. When I first read it, I was like, it's too easy.
Wouldn't this be false or below the x-axis?
Hold on, you're on 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we said false.
Okay. Also, I don't remember that in the reading.
Yeah, but like, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to have, I don't know. It just didn't make sense to have anything under the x-axis, I guess. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Oh, we lost Brandon. Blasphemy, can you hear us? Well, Octavius, looks like it's you and me again.
Everyone's Wi-Fi is trippy.
Oh, no, she's there. It registered her saying something, but I can't hear you if you've said something.
Can you hear me?
Oh, there we go.
Sweet.
Okay. Did you hear what we got for number 3 and 4?
No, I've been trying to listen to, I have another class meeting that's going on right now. So I didn't hear anything from the beginning. So I'm sorry.
No, you're good. So for number 3, we got 1, and for number 4, we got false.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Let me check.
Cool.
Distribution curve, symmetric. Is that true? I'm sorry, I took notes on my phone too.
No, you're good. You do you.
Are we doing the homework quiz or which one are we doing?
Yeah, we're doing the group quiz.
The group quiz.
Not the group quiz, not the homework quiz.
Okay. Let me get out of here because I'm in the wrong quiz.
Oh, is
Yeah.
number 5 true?
That's what we said.
Okay.
Welcome
Sweet.
back. We're
Thank
on
you.
number 5.
Okay. Oh, you working through it, or how are we doing it?
Well, so I was letting Octavius and Latsumi look at it and see what they got.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. How did you guys figure out number 5?
Let's see. Number 5 or number 6?
Number 5. Oh, number 6. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so in the lesson, so the red marks on the graph are always the z-score.
Oh,
So
okay.
you pick the one that's pointing to the lines. Or, well, in this case, they're pointing to the numbers at the bottom. What?
Yeah, so what did we see? It was the numbers at the bottom?
Yeah, that's what we said.
Okay. Wanted everyone with us. Lasami, are you with us? Yeah, I assume that no one was able to get a hold of Veronica.
No, I mean, I sent a message in the WhatsApp that, I mean, you guys all got, and I emailed the link, and I don't know how else to contact her.
Yeah. It's 4 in the morning there too, so I guess like
I know.
Yeah, it might be too early for her.
Okay, she's still here.
Yeah.
Are you still following with us with the questions?
I'm trying to, and my internet is super slow right now.
Oh, okay.
You're good.
We understand.
Yeah,
Me
sorry.
personally, because
I
my
didn't realize I have 2 meetings. Yeah, I have 2 meetings at the same time in the same day, so
Oh, that's crazy.
hang on. It's coming.
You're good. Octavius, what'd you get for what at 7? Are we on 7?
7. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it. What's your phone?
Not that I'm trying to rush you guys, but like
It's fine.
every online class I'm in right now has an assignment due tonight. So, and I did not accomplish anything today. Just kidding.
So did we say number 4 was true?
Let me check.
It's false.
False.
Or did I, okay.
So if you look right after number 5, that will kind of explain it. That line that comes down in the bell shape at the bottom, it'll never get all the way to 0. It'll get close to the line, but it'll never go under.
Correct.
Would number 7 be A?
No.
That is not what we got.
Okay. Yeah, I'm wrong. I just noticed that it said 0 right there. Not bad. I just noticed the hump, so that's what I thought it was. But it might be greater than 0. Yeah, I do not know.
Okay. So here, I'll share my screen and explain it.
Okay.
Screen share. Okay, so which of the following elements of the figure represents that the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? So looking at this, oh, I have to go lower. That'll make more sense. Okay. So the probability that the z-score is greater than this number, it's going to be the area above the line.
Okay.
So it's this area, which
okay.
on the quiz is
B.
points to B.
Okay. That makes sense.
And I'm going to stop sharing.
Well, to me, does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
Any other questions before we move on to 8?
Nope.
No.
All right. Number 8. Let me know what you guys get.
Okay. Wouldn't it just be 68%?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
I was
what
about
we
to say,
got.
like what threw me off was the 42, but I was like, that's the examples.
Yeah.
Percentage of time in the fellowship.
Alright.
60 to 95.
Okay, so did everyone get the answer to number 8?
Lots of me?
Oh, I'm still trying to figure out.
Okay.
No, you're good.
Okay.
I had to read the question like, I'm not going to lie, like 15 times before I even really realized what it was even asking. But don't overthink it because that's what I was doing.
If he needs to explain it too, we can try to explain it.
Yeah.
I overthink it because I'm afraid I'm gonna get it wrong.
No, I do the same thing. I totally understand.
Would you like me to explain it to you? Tell you how I got it?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, if you want to. I'm just trying to read it and trying to figure out what it is.
Okay. So there's like the rules as the 68, 95, and 99.7 rule. So
Right.
on the video PowerPoint thingy, it says like the 68 data falls within the 1 standard deviation of the mean, and the 95 falls under the 2 standard deviation of the mean, and the 99.7 falls within the 3 standard deviation of the mean. So I was asking for the first one, which would be 68%. Because it says like what rule will fall within the 1 standard deviation of the mean. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
Can I show?
But
Can
it's
you look at
asking
my
what
screen?
So it's just saying the percentage of the data for the bell-shaped distribution, right? So within that
Yeah.
one standard deviation.
Yeah. So if you look between the ones right here on my screen, the standard deviation right here is 68, and then so that means that 68% of the people will have that same like data, and then if you go down to 2, about 95% of the people will have that data and be included in that data.
Oh,
And if
okay.
you go down to 3, then about 98, 99% of people.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Brandon,
That makes sense.
you always explain things better than I can.
No, don't worry about it. Can you pause that some, or like turn it down a little? Can Can you guys hear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
All right, so are we ready for number 9?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, Octavius, that's me. Let me know what you guys get.
Okay. So would it be 0.98101 or
What'd you say, Octavius?
could it be like 0.9968 or
No.
no? Okay. Let me forget. No.
Did you download the normal probability applet?
Yeah, that's what I'm using.
Okay.
So do you have 1 and -1 as your z-scores?
Oh no! See, that's what. So what I did, I just put it at 0. But is it actually like 0.3 3241? Oh no.
That's not what we got.
Okay. Let me
That could be the answer. I don't know. I
Nope.
hate saying I'm right, but I don't think that's the answer.
Okay.
So on the z-score, did you type in 1 and -1 in the boxes at the bottom?
Oh no, I did not.
So start with that. And
Okay.
then you want the area between the 2 red lines, you want that to be the only area that's blue. And then outside of the red lines, you want that to be white. And then the answer is the box at the top.
Oh, okay. So if it's blue,
Okay.
what does that mean? Like,
So if it's blue, it means that that's the area that we're finding. And so that's finding the proportions or the probability of
yeah.
it being between those 2 numbers.
Okay. So would it be 0.6827?
Yes.
I
Okay.
just put 0.683. I just had it at 683. I rounded it off.
Yeah. So you're supposed to round to 3 decimal places.
Okay. So 0.6.
So then number 10 is the same thing, except for it's -2 and 2 as your z-score instead of -1 and 1.
Okay, so for number 10, I got 0.955.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Okay.
Mm,
3.
And then 11 is the same thing again, just 3 instead of 2, instead of 1.
Right.
And you'll notice that that's just asking you about the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Yeah. So it's just explaining it. It's in forms of questions. What, Brandon? You gave away the answer to number 12.
Number 12, dang it.
So wouldn't it be like for 11, 0.9988? Or
We got 996.
997.
no, so okay. I wasn't sure if you rounded. Oh, it didn't say you need to round it. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, good.
Oh, look at that. It does match it. I'll never guess.
Man, who did that?
All right.
So are we all on number 13?
Yes.
You don't need to assign me an attorney. I got one. It'll be your biggest nightmare. Surprise. Most of these guys have records. You need to keep a close eye on them. My friends back in the club. You should camp out there. When he goes
How many
in.
questions are on here?
18.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
Question number one.
'If I fall asleep during this, just wake me up, please.
It's gonna be that bad. Are we all on 13 or just me?
I don't know.
We're on 13, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And that's giving me a fourth round.
So proportion of the population. Three decimal places. Come on. So I got 0.238.
That is not what we got. For
I got.
number 13, what'd you get, Octavius?
I probably got it wrong, but I got like negative 0.4.
So what did you guys do?
So what I did was I like took the 0.6. Oh, I probably shouldn't have took that number, but I took like 0.60, and then like I like multiplied 1, subtracted the 1, and got that. Wait, the other way around. Sorry. Yes, I subtracted the 1 and multiplied the 1, and got that.
Gotcha.
But
So Latsumi, what'd you do?
You know what? I think I put in a different number. For some reason, I misread the standard deviation. I put in 7 instead of this, or 6.
You're good. So did you
Sorry.
find the? No, you're good. So Octavius, you got? Do you know? I can't talk today. So you have to start by finding the z-score. Do you remember how to find that?
let me see. So would it be like 0.65 minus the 0.07?
But that's how it works. So
You're close, except you gotta add in the 0.60. So it'd be 0.65 minus 0.60 over 0.07. So it's the mean minus the number they give you over the standard deviation.
Okay.
I'll give you a break for a second, Jenny.
Thanks, man.
I got your back. It's been a long day.
No, it has. It's okay. I had strep this week, so talking's been rough, and that's all I do at my job is sleep, is talk. So
Or would it be 0.714?
so that's the z-score. That's not the
Okay.
answer to the question.
Okay.
So the question is, what is the proportion?
So then you have to use the normal probability applet. So you type in 0.74 at the bottom for the numbers, and then you have to find the area that's less than the positive z-score. So you shade everything less than the positive z-score. Everything less than the positive z-score needs to be blue, and then your answer's at the top. Did that make sense? I don't know if I explained that weird.
So would that be like the blue in the middle?
Yep, and then you have the blue on the other side too, because that's also less than 0.714.
Oh, so it would be like 0.762.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you understand that, Latsumi?
I did. I just got it because my internet is super slow, so it's not calculating for me like instantly.
Okay.
Sorry.
Gotcha. No, you're good. We all understand slow internet.
Yeah. I got new internet today, so I was like, wait, why is it so slow?
All right, 14.
Okay.
Yes. So 14 is like the opposite of 13. You just take everything greater. I don't know. Brandon, you want to explain that? I'm sorry. I just blanked. So everything that was white in the previous answer, that's what you mark blue. And then everything that was blue needs to be white.
You got it. There we go.
Okay. So it'd be would it be 0.237?
238. Yep.
Yeah.
So, yeah, 8. Yeah, round it.
Round it again. Yeah. It's calculating. It's just taking me a while.
You're good.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna give you the chance to answer. I'm just like too excited. I'm like,
No, you might wait a while before I answer because it's not. It's gonna scam on me, and I have to save everything before it crashes on me.
right.
So for number 15, we have to find a new z-score.
Okay.
Brandon, don't look like you're having a party there.
Sorry, I'm super stoked to be here right now. I didn't know it was showing so well though. Wow.
Sorry, we're not very entertaining.
No, this is the most entertaining part of my day. I got a lot of door slammed in my face, so this is good.
What are you selling again?
Pest control.
Okay. I couldn't remember if it was pest controls or alarm systems.
Yeah, who knows? I don't know where the money is. I'm just out here working.
That's pretty funny.
Oh, come on. Go.
Keep singing. Need it.
Okay, so what did you guys get for the new z-score on 15?
Oh, hold on. Let me.
Come on.
I'm sorry. I was trying to figure it out, but then I didn't even change the Z score. I just kept it the same. I was like, "What's going on?" Okay. Let's see.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I don't even know if I did it right.
So what'd you get for the new z-score then? We'll start there.
So I just got like 0.714
Negative or positive?
negative. I didn't know if I was right or not.
Yeah. So you get it. It just so happens to be the same z-score as the previous questions.
I knew it.
So you got the right z-score. So it's negative 0.714.
Yeah.
So you're looking for everything less than the negative one, than the negative z-score.
And then go pay for internet.
I got 0.762. Oh, hold on.
Make sure your homework's done.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I got a different one.
Meetings take forever.
You know why? I put in the wrong number. Come on.
So would it be like 0.237?
238. Yep.
Yeah, 8. Sorry.
We said 238 rounding again.
I knew it would be that one, but I wasn't.
But yes, it would be.
100% sure because I was just
I was
like
giving you a hard time.
confused.
No te preocupes.
All right.
It's less than something.
Oh, are you guys still there? I think my internet's going out.
Yeah,
Crap.
Okay.
Okay, So is everyone ready to move on to number 16, or did anyone have a question about 15?
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good.
Okay. So for 16, okay. Yeah, if you guys want to read 16 and then I can explain it, or you can try to figure it out, or whatever you guys want to do.
Looking at 2. 0.5. So I got 0.525.
Did you say 0.525?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Oh, who's we?
Yay! I don't know why. That's what I got.
I'm shut down right now. I really have no idea how to do that.
Are you saying no or yes? I'm having I think it's my internet this time.
Oh, I just said I don't know how to do that. Wait.
80th percentile. Let me see if I can go back.
Is it 0.238 plus 0.238?
Yeah, I don't know how to do this one. Oh,
Are you guys still there? Oh.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh. I was afraid because I lost connection, it would all just disappear. So I'm glad it didn't.
0.60.
Are we still on 16? Or are we
I
on
think so.
17?
I'm still on I'm still on 16.
Okay. I wasn't sure. You're good.
How did you do that?
How did I do what?
Number 16.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. This is where you lost connection earlier. So for number 16, so this is how I did it. I'll show.
Yeah.
Give me a second. It'll make sense if I share my screen. Okay. So the z-score point for the 0.6 was this number, and then the z-score for 0.7 was this number. So technically it's just the area between. So I got 0.525. But the actual way you're supposed to do it is you take this area because it's less than the 1 z-score, and so you take 0.7624, and then you would put in your new z-score, and you would find the other area, and so you would subtract the first area from the second area. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
But in this case, it also happens to be this. So.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
Okay.
It's that, and then you take away that, and then está bueno.
Yeah. So did everyone get the 0.525?
Yep.
Cool. So we'll move on to what number are we on? 17. Okay.
Ooh.
So I don't know if I did 17 right, but I have my guess.
Okay. I did 17 while you guys were talking.
Okay. What'd you get for number 17?
I got 0.623.
Okay. I got 0.626. So I might have just typed something in wrong. So did you use 0.35 as your z-score?
That's what I use.
Don't you use that
Okay.
as the area?
Yeah, so the equation would be 0.35 is equal to 0.65 minus our unknown divided by 0.07.
Wait,
I might have typed in the wrong number, but I'll check mine too.
You're good. Oops, that I really did wrong.
Yeah, I don't even know how to do this one. That's weird.
Yeah, I'm still, lots me, I'm still getting 0.626.
Let me check.
Okay. Let's see if I have an easy way to explain this.
so that's the z-score equals.
So do you want me to explain it, Octavius?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by sharing my screen again, because in my brain that works better. Okay, so we're using this equation right here.
Okay.
Okay, and so it's saying it's wanting. So I mean, the answer to number 4, this question from the prep assignment, like Z is the like percentile, the percentage.
Yeah.
So it's wanting the 35th. So your Z is going to be equal to 0.35. So this is going to be 0.35. And then your mean was already given as 0.65. And then this was given as 0.7. So we're looking for this number. So then you just use algebra and solve it.
I have a question for you.
Yes. Here, hold on,
So
let me stop sharing.
in the book, it says that Z equals the z-score. It doesn't equal the percentile.
Okay. That's why I wasn't sure. I
So
wasn't sure about
Z equals the z-score of whatever the area is when the area is the percentile.
what.
So what it be?
I'll show
Oh,
you real quick.
So
okay.
what it be
So
like?
I did that wrong.
So it says right here that Z equals, so this is an example for the 90th percentile. So you have 0.900, which is the 90th percentile. So that's Z. Well, that's Z.
So
Z
how do you
is the-
find Z based off of an area? Can you just type an area into the normal
I think
probability?
I have no idea. I think it's just
The answer is yes, you can. So in the area you would type 0.35 and get the z-score. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm just, yeah, so the area you type 0.35 and then your z-score is right there.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
That's not, it didn't make sense to me either. That's why I was confused about what you were saying, but that's what this is. See what I'm saying? That's why I was confused.
Yeah, but if you pull that back up and
This?
yeah, so on yours, and when I talk, it's gonna go away. So on yours, only the far left is shaded, but on the book,
Oh
it
my
has 2 of them
gosh.
shaded.
That was dumb of me. Okay.
But then you retype in the area, and then it goes back to the way it was.
No, you're right.
That's where I'm confused.
Huh.
So how did they get this?
If you typed in 0, Oh, when you type in 0.9, it just automatically does that. Oh, because, oh, that makes sense.
Oh, because it's only 35%, so
Yeah.
it's only the bottom half.
We're good.
So wait, so would it just mean that it's negative 0.385?
So, oh
Is-
yeah, so now is it negative or positive?
I
So
think
it
Z
would be,
is negative 0.385 now.
so it would be negative.
Wait,
How?
Okay, so now I got 0.677.
So let's,
oh.
negative point.
Yeah, how y'all do that again?
Okay, hold on, I can explain it.
Okay, I was
I got
highly confused.
0.623.
What'd you get?
Okay, I probably got it totally wrong. I don't know.
Oh no, because that's what I originally got was 0.623.
That's what I just got was 0.623.
And you use the
'Cause I think Denise
negative
said she was
zero.
at
So did you use negative 0.385 as Z?
Yes.
Man, maybe I just can't calculate.
Well, so what I did is I took negative 0.385, multiplied it by 0.07, and then I subtracted. Oh, I didn't subtract actually. I need to subtract. So negative 0.385 times 0.0 equals that, and then you gotta subtract. Yeah, subtract 0.65, and then divide that by -1, and it's 0.678. No, I mean 677.
Okay, yeah, 0.677.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Sorry,
so I
I
got
didn't subtract it when I should have.
0.677. So, Latsumi, with your you're just doing the algebra wrong because you're subtracting 0.65 minus 0.385. Nope,
Right. Okay. There,
I'm not.
do the
I'm
math.
actually not sure.
I think she was adding it instead of subtracting
I
it.
think I was adding instead of subtracting it. Let me subtract it and see what I get.
So you said 0.
Because that's when I added it, I got the same thing.
So 0.385 minus
Time.
minus what again?
It's 0.385, negative 0.385 times 0.07. Then you get whatever
Right.
that is. And then you subtract 0.65 from your answer. And then you divide your answer by negative, and it'll become positive.
Correct.
So 0.677.
7.
Is
Yes,
that
Yeah,
right? 677.
Okay.
yeah, that's what we got.
Yeah, I did it. I did it wrong. That's why I just did the equation wrong.
Yeah, that negative threw all of us off. It's okay.
Oh, totally. I'm not a math expert, so.
That's okay. I'm not either.
Me neither. It's okay. We're all good.
We're a great group, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, no, I
The
appreciate
biggest
y'all so
statistic
much.
class that can't do math.
I appreciate y'all.
Okay, so Octavius, do you understand how we got the negative 0.385?
So what I did, I was looking at the probability, but no, I don't. I
Okay.
don't.
No, that's okay. So we're trying to find the 35th percentile.
Mhm.
So that's going to be the area underneath our curve. So using the applet, you just type in 0.35
Yes.
and then you just grab the corresponding z-score. So that's where it came from.
Okay. Yeah, I understood that part. But I was just trying to understand the math, like the 0.70 part. Like I didn't know we were still using those numbers. Does that make
Oh,
sense?
yeah. Yeah. So that comes, so then we plugged in the area. Here, I'll show you. I have like the equation typed out that might help. I don't know. Maybe it won't. But so it ends up looking like this.
Okay.
So that's the equation we're using. And we're solving for, I believe that Greek letter is mu.
So did you multiply other than like did you add? Yeah, did you subtract or
So then you would do, the way I did it was I took the negative 0.385 times 0.07, and that's going to equal 0.95 minus mu. And then that number, I don't know what the number on the left is, but so then you take 0.65 is equal to u minus 0.385 times 0.07.
What?
And so u is equal to, this is my math lesson for the day, guys.
headache?
Can I simplify it just a little bit?
Yes, you can, because this is how my brain works. It's a scary thing. So you explain that.
So instead of doing 0.65 equals u something or other, just take 0.65 and subtract it from whatever you get for negative 0.385 times 0.07. So negative 0.385 times
Yeah, so
0.07 equals 0.029 or 2695 or something. Then just subtract 0.65 from that. And then you get negative 0.67695 equals negative u, then divide by -1. I wish I could show you, but I just do it on my phone. I didn't want to write anything down.
Okay. I see what you did. Okay. I see what you did there. Yeah, I got it.
okay.
Hey,
All right, so are we ready to move on? So 18 is the same thing, except for we're finding the 80th percentile instead of the 35th percentile. Ready, go.
time.
What'd you say?
I just said time, like I'm done. Time.
Oh, time. What'd you get, Brandon?
I think I got 0.591 or something like that.
Hey, that's what I got.
Yeah, 0.591.
Cool.
Good job. Our team is so awesome.
Yeah, we are.
For some reason I missed number 6. To the following. Why do I not have that in here?
Oh, y'all submitted it already?
Oh, did you not?
Maybe.
No, I didn't.
Did you get 18?
No, I didn't even, I'm still figuring it out.
Sorry,
I got
Octavius.
18 already.
We just left you behind, Octavius.
Oh, I didn't submit it either. I didn't know we were submitting it.
No, I haven't done it yet.
So number 6, what did you get for number 6? Let's me.
I got C.
That's what I
I
got.
looked at it real quick and I just put C in there.
Yeah, see, that's what we got.
Mhm. Yeah, because I didn't have it marked. I don't know why.
Oh, that's what you meant by miss. I got you.
Oh, okay. So she didn't submit it.
No.
Okay.
That's working.
Okay.
Thank you.
So lots of me, what'd you get for number 18?
I got 0.591.
Okay, cool.
Is
Hey,
that
lots
right?
of me.
Oh man.
Yeah.
It's funny because every time you tell us whatever you get, you phrase it like a question.
I do because I'm unsure of my calculations on this. And I hate second guessing myself.
I feel you. No, I understand. I just thought it was funny. 591.
One? I hate that they make you do the 3 decimals. It's like, can we just do 2 decimals?
No,
What confused
probably
me
did.
was on the assignment. They said they would give all of your they give it as like percentages, and they tell you to give your answers in decimals. So like the question would be all percentages, and they'd say give your answer in decimals, and that would always confuse me. Did you get it, Octavius?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out again. So in the area you put the 0.80, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And then what did you get for that? For the
Oh,
Z-score?
try one more time. See, I don't know. And do the first, like the left and the middle, have to be shaded?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I got 0.788, and then
Wait, where did you get 0.788?
from like shading the
So you don't shade it; it'll shade it for you.
Oh, okay.
So in the area you put 0.800, and then take whatever number they give you.
Why isn't that letting me? Let me see something. Put my Z square 0. I'm so sorry.
You're fine. Take your time.
So because I'm trying to put it in there, but every time I hit enter, it goes straight to 0. I don't know why.
Here, share your screen with us.
Okay. Let's see. Where is it at? Nope, that's not it. Can you see it yet?
Oh, Veronica.
Why is that screen share? Okay. See, I tell you my internet's slow.
You're good.
Okay. Can you see it?
No, sir.
Are you sharing screens?
I'm trying to.
No.
There you go.
Oh, it's going.
All right. So I'm right here. And I'll put 0.80. Yeah. It's 0.
Erase the bottom ones on the Z-score.
Okay. And I tried doing that too, but it wouldn't go away. So let's see.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's them darn Apple products.
You see what I'm trying to do? Like every time I delete it, I go to this one and come back.
Huh. Can I just tell you what it is?
Sure, man.
That is what you would do if you needed to. You would just put in 0.80 in the area.
Oh, so wait, so you can go ahead and try that, or like?
No, that's just what it would do if yours was working right now. That's what it would. That's just what it would do.
So you said mine's not working.
Yeah, it looks like it's not working.
Okay.
But just
Hello.
put that.
Hi, Veronica. How's it going?
So how you turn? Okay.
So then the answer is 0.842. The Z-score is 0.842.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hey, Andy.
Headache.
Oh,
We can hear you a little bit, Veronica.
why is somebody hearing me? My face. Listening.
So Octavius, did you get the answer number 18?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what?
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
It seems like it.
It's 11:30. I want to go to bed. Awesome.
All right, so are we ready to submit?
Sure.
Mm.
Yes.
All right, I vote ready, set, go.
Come on.
Did you guys submit it?
Yeah.
Ah, dang it.
How did we get all of the last questions wrong?
Oh.
What the?
What?
But I feel like we were doing it right. My thing is, how did we get 13 and 14 wrong? 13, how did we get 13 and 15 wrong, but 16 right if you use the answers from
Yeah.
13 and 15 to get 16?
Yeah, that all makes sense.
That
So
doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I feel like maybe we have the right answers. Maybe there's something wrong with his answer key, or I don't know. I even just went back in and because we just used 0.714. So I went back in and put like the entire thing, the entire number, like all 8 digits, and it doesn't change. Like our rounding wouldn't be different. So I
No, it
don't,
wouldn't.
it's not a rounding error, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird though. Like,
I don't know what else we would do. How else would you answer those questions?
Because even in mathematics, if we got the last one right, we should have gotten the other two.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What the heck?
did we round it wrong?
That's what I was thinking, but no, I just went back and checked and we didn't round it wrong.
Then it
Well,
must be.
I don't know.
Yeah, because if
See-
13 and 14 are right, 15's right.
Right.
And there's only way 16 could be right.
But did you need to round it?
Yes. Because it gives you 4 decimal places and we only need it to 3.
Okay.
That's what well, yeah, because it says to give your answer as accurate to 3 decimal places.
Cause I thought like when you round it, they normally ask for it, but
0.7624.
How do we find the answer? Or do we get the
That
answer
is,
the next day?
guys,
Or how do we...
I'm lost.
Yeah.
Can we ever get the answers to these
Wait a
quizzes?
second.
Do we ever?
I'm not
Oh,
sure.
I think I
I
just.
have no idea.
I figured out what happened with the last two.
With the 17 and 18?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
What we did is we did 0.65 minus nu over 0.07, but it's nu minus 0.65. So that would change your signs and everything.
What?
completely. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Why is it mu minus
Because
6?
mu is your average.
No,
one.
it's
But
Mu is your
X was the average.
no, X is your X. Like X is your
Did
variable.
I just X is your unknown?
Yeah.
That doesn't make any.
So that's what we did wrong at the
Oh,
last.
yep.
I was just
Okay.
looking at the book. So those last two, that's why those are wrong. But the other
So,
ones shouldn't be wrong. So
but hold on,
I
no, wouldn't that change our Z score? So we did this
no, it wouldn't change the Z score. It'd be
would
the same
be
Z score.
0.6 minus. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we did wrong. So the answer to number 13.
Wait, number 13. No, 13. It doesn't have to do with 13 and 14.
So 13 is negative 0.714. So the answer to 13.
Oh, the answer to 13 would be the 0.23.
And the answer,
So
Correct.
14.
yeah.
Oh, we switched
And
the
then the
answer.
answer.
That's the problem.
oh my God.
I hate that. That
So we
really,
just have them all backwards and shifted,
yeah, but oh my.
if that makes sense.
So what will be 15 again?
What are we, what?
15?
13 and 14.
13 and 14. 15 would be the same as 14. So we just switch the numbers. So it'd be 0.70 minus 0.65 instead of 0.65 minus 0.70.
We flip flop.
Yeah. So those two would be 0.762 and 13 would be 0.238.
Okay.
I was right all along. Just kidding. Oh man, that's no bueno. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Oh, I didn't know you left us.
Oh, geez, thanks for missing me.
Oh,
Just kidding.
Oh, that's cool.
Guys, I'm sorry. My sass has been out the door today.
hey, it's been a tough day. I think that's the
Okay.
fourth time I've told you that. So
So did you guys figure out what we did wrong in 13, 14, and 15? Because I did. Well,
yeah,
Brandon did. Okay.
Yeah, we did.
I don't know where I dropped out. Okay. And that's also what we did wrong in 17. And so the new answer for 13 is, did you guys get 0.238?
Yes.
And for 14 and 15, you got 0.762.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then,
backwards.
Then we're gonna have to.
yes.
So.
And then we got 16 right. And then 17. My brain hurts.
Yeah, my freaking thing is not working.
Wait, so for 13.762, right?
Yeah.
What?
13 is
For which number?
13. No, 13 is 0.238.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Flip it.
And then 14 is 0.762. 15.762. Wait, what did we get for 16?
We got 16 right. But
525, right?
yeah.
0.525.
Okay. And then what did you guys get for? So you have 0.842 times 0.07 equals that minus 0.65. So is it negative 0.591 on 18?
I got 0.7. I got 0.709.
Oh,
Let me-
shoot. You're right.
You said that last time and I wasn't. So let me check again.
0.709. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I subtracted it again. Oh,
Darn algebra.
darn algebra. If they wouldn't make me do it, so goodness.
Are you guys all business majors?
Yeah,
Yes.
accounting.
Oh, that stinks.
I know.
Brandon, are you Brandon, are you business?
Business and medicine. Yep.
Interesting. That's cool.
Interesting mix, but we'll see how it works. And then plus 0.65. So I got 0.623 on number 17.
Say that one more time.
0.623.
Oh yeah, that's what I got this time.
Is everyone else redoing it? Because I'm just
Yeah,
gonna redo it.
I'm redoing it right now.
I was just gonna redo it later. Fine.
No, you don't have to.
Just lazy.
Don't mess with the pregnant woman. Let her do her thing.
What did you say?
I said we won't mess with you. We'll let you do your thing.
I'm pregnant. That's literally the only word I heard.
Oh, no.
My sister's pregnant, and I learned not to mess with pregnant women. She scares me.
Oh, that's what you're saying. Yeah. Oh, I don't care. As long as you can take it, you can dish it out. Dish it out as long as you can take it. That's what I mean.
That's fine.
I will give it right back. Okay,
Do we
so
get
are we
two
all
chances?
redoing this?
Yeah, I just finished.
Oh.
So we get two
okay.
chances
Well,
to redo this?
Yeah.
You get one
yeah.
chance to redo
Well,
it.
you get 2 chances to take it.
Okay. How do I go back into it? It won't let me back in.
So you just gotta I always open a new tab and go back into iLearn and just access it like you access it the first time.
Well, you do it that way. Okay, let me open up a new tab.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe the boys have an easier way, but
Yeah, I just go back to the content and then go under the group quiz.
Okay. I'll wait for you guys.
yeah, geez. Have some patience.
Oh, sorry. Can
we all just get along?
Probably not. I'm just kidding.
Why can't we be friends?
Because we all live in different states. That's why.
You heard of pen pal?
Do people still do that?
I mean, Facebook is technically, well, no, that's not the same though.
Do people still have pen pals? Did you guys ever have a pen? I never had a pen pal. I
When
don't
I was
know.
in elementary school.
Yeah, elementary school. I did. It's probably Octavius, to tell you the honest truth.
Dude, wouldn't that be such a crazy story though?
That would be cool.
What are the odds?
1 in a million.
Okay, I got in. It took a while. I'm sorry, I got in.
You're good. We're just chatting.
That's okay. They're helping me work on my patience.
Yes, we are. You're welcome.
What time you have work in the morning?
It's not very early.
Oh.
Okay. I'm probably gonna just wake up at 8. So
Yeah, I have another day off tomorrow, so
Oh, that's good.
whatever.
Sure.
Yep, but I work Saturday. Oh no, you work Saturdays too.
Yeah.
So
That's actually our biggest day of work.
yep, I did the summer sales scene once for
How'd you do?
like 6 weeks. Oh, honey, I did terrible.
Yeah,
I
it gets
think
long sometimes, but it's okay.
terrible is too nice of a word to describe how I was at sales.
Can we go through 9, 9, and 10 real quick? Because I want to make sure I don't get it wrong again.
Yes. Brandon, do you want to explain? Did you
I
say
would
9 and 10?
absolutely love to explain number 9.
I knew you did.
Go into the normal probability applet thing, and then type, put them both on 1, and then take whatever the answer is above.
So
put
they're
the
both on
blue.
1.
Yeah, so put the blue just in the middle, not on the outsides, but just in the middle.
So if it's just in the middle, it just says 0.82. 0.683.
Yep, that's right.
That's the answer.
And then you just move it up to 2. Put that, and then move it up to 3.
Good job, Brandon.
Thanks. That's pretty much the only one I can get today. But
And
No,
then
you're
we
the one
did
who found the
10.
error.
I'm actually really surprised I found that because I'm out of it right now.
And thank you all. Because
You're welcome. I'm just kidding.
no, y'all helped me out a lot, especially with those last two, 17, 18. But you know what's in need is my computer. I was just
Yeah.
like, what's going on?
Well, but I mean, it was you because you bought an Apple computer. So
Hey,
I'm just kidding.
It's called spending extra money for maintenance. That's what
man,
Nah, I'm just messing.
it's all good.
Man, we should have been pen pals. I'm telling you.
I know, it's been funny.
You know, it doesn't have to stop after this. You guys can still be pen pals.
Oh, that's true. Especially when he
But
comes.
like, take it old school and like be legit pen pals.
I guess you want to go old school.
Oh yeah, and then you got to sign everything. Sincerely, your pen pal.
Even through text messages.
It's gonna be my new name.
Emails like your signature.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
good.
All right, what number are y'all on?
0.
Wait, you haven't done any of them?
Now finished.
Okay. I was like, man, I want to write you a letter.
I'm on 10. I'm sorry, my computer's just trying to load it. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I hadn't.
We'll be here all night. Don't worry.
No, I don't want you to be here all night.
Okay. I'm sorry. I don't.
Jenny's like, I don't want to be here. No.
You're good.
Oh my god, that goofy moves.
I'm not going to lie. I was talking to my mom, so I have no idea what's going on.
No, you're good.
Oh, that was hilarious.
What is happening?
So number 10, I got 0.953.
0.95. So it's 0.955.
Well, sorry, I fat fingered that one. I'm just like, I don't have my lights on, so my lights are like completely out right now.
That'll do it. Wait, what the heck? Oh, that's why.
And then 11, I got 0.982.
We got 0.997.
What the heck? Let me go back. What is going on?
Yeah, maybe you one of the areas is more shaded, like the outside area is shaded. That could be a possibility.
Oh, it keeps giving me an error message on my computer. Hold on.
Hey, don't worry, Octavius. I watched the trailer for Infinity War.
You did what you thought about it.
The trailer?
Yeah.
It was a trailer.
He's-
Yeah.
Oh, it's so funny.
I'm gonna have to watch it one of these days. We'll see. I'll just wait for it to come out. What's that?
So with 13 and 14 that were the ones that we flipped, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Three, two, 8.
Pray for me, please.
What's always at the end of the day, and literally my I have full battery almost until I get home, and then doing the stacking, literally I get every minute, or maybe a little bit faster than every minute. I'm having it drop off. Yeah, my hair was wild.
Seven, 6, 2. No. Oh. 6, 2, 4.
Guys, what's going on? I just completely zoned out. So can we submit the quiz, or are we all good to go? Or Latsumi, did you still have questions?
I think I'm good. I'm still trying to. I flipped 13 and 14. I've got 15, and then 16 and 17. So I'm good.
Okay, let's go ahead and submit it. Let's just submit it on our own. I'm gonna stop the broadcast because I need to go use the restroom, and we're done here. So, it's bedtime, guys. Brandon, you're on mute. I don't know if you're saying anything, but we can't hear you.
I didn't even notice. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I was zoned for most of the time anyway.
All right. Well, this has been a good meeting, y'all. Till next week. Have a wonderful weekend.
Y'all too.
All right. Bye, guys.